Scorpio, the person that you are no contact with, this person is putting on a front like they have options and they are moving on with their lives, really building, but whatever they're building is not as stable as they are putting on to be. Now, when it comes to this person, I think that overall, when it comes to this person isn't someone who lacks ambition, represented by the Ace of Cups being here, but they really lack like execution. They are mourning, they're putting on this front, but they really are mourning this connection when it comes to you, because everything that they are working towards, this stability, they either wanted to have this with you or know that they really cannot accomplish without you. So it's like they're putting on a front, but it ain't